Well, welcome to this brief tutorial on the AWSOM 4.1 voltage regulator. That little thing there is very important because 4.1 is the ideal voltage to drive the SIM texting module. This regulator is turned on by this relay via this fuse and has a return current line straight to the battery to stop giving spikes on the Arduino. You can't get these from Radio Spares. The only place you can get them from is Amazon or eBay. And there are three basic types, and it's those types I want to discuss now. There's the actual unit, and that is the ear. And that is a brilliant voltage regulator. It is wonderful. It's perfectly well behaved. So from 3 volts to 15 volts on its input, it will give you 4.1 volts out, come what may, plus minus 40 millivolts. Right, now we go into the individual types. Well, there is the voltage regulator, a thing of beauty. It is extremely well behaved, from 3 volts to 15 volts on its input, and it will give you tweet 4.1 volts output. Lovely, works very well. And if we go over to the voltmeter, we can see voltage wise that I'll keep swinging that, and the output voltage will still stay rock solid, so that's very good. Now we go on to the current side, and if I start to reduce that voltage all the way down to nothing, to nothing, and then we go up slowly, so a slight increase in current, but not much at all. So when the voltage goes down, when the battery goes flat, and the voltage comes back up slowly, the output comes back perfectly. This is a well-behaved regulator. This one's brilliant. Now, that's the good one. Now I'll show you the bad one, or bad ones. Up here it says DC-DC, step up, down, buck boost voltage regulator. So you think, fantastic. And 10 pieces, just what I want. A bit strange because there seems to be a coil missing, but that's what it says. So I bought them. Having said that, it was late, and I did not read anymore where it says it is a really wonderful adjustable voltage set down module for choice. So interpreting the Chinese set down, I assuming is step down, which is exactly what it is. It is not a step up, it is not a buck boost, it is a step down unit. So I have complained about this particular item. So don't be fooled. Lesson number 1, read everything, and if it's too simple, it probably is to work. This is a well-used voltage regulator, and I want to talk about its behaviour. At the moment it's doing perfectly, 4.1 volts, 1.08 volts, which is great, exactly what we want. And the output, the input, you can change the voltage quite significantly, and the output's still the same. However, if I now go on to the amps side and let's say I take the voltage down quite a way, there's a slight kick. Now if I bring the voltage back up slowly, look what happens to the current. So here we have another one, buck boost adjustable step up, step down, solar voltage module, blah, blah, blah. Excellent stuff, decent price too, and it looks fine. It's got the right number of cores, got the chip, got everything else. A little bit concerned about the components down there. But let's see what the description says. Item. Brand new. That's really useful. Description. Blue. And its size. Not really sufficient. So, although it's tempting, I wouldn't go for it. Now here we have another one. Regulator boost buck module. Fine. A bit more expensive. Okay. And this looks very promising because, oh come on, because it's got the components that I expected up here. The capacitors aren't the right way around normally, but that looks fine. Let's have a look, and it's 3 to 15 volts, which is very promising. Let's see what the spec says. Yeah, 3 to 15 volts. As you can see, there are lots purporting to be the same thing. Buck boost adjustable, buck boost, the whole thing. But you've got to be very careful. This one looks good one. Yep. Oh, there we are. Seller I bought from before. Yeah. It takes some time to find them, but you can find them. Here we have another one. Buck boost adjustable step up down converter. And there is it. The capacitor arrangement isn't the same as I would have expected. So I'm not happy about this one. Let's have a look at the circuit description. Looks nice. And there we are. Input range 3.8 volts to 32. I've had bad experiences with this, as the voltage hovers around 3.8. It goes into self oscillation, takes 2 or 3 amps all on its own, and the output voltages shoot up to 35 volts. So I wouldn't go with this one. This is a well-behaved regulator. This one's brilliant.